For today's lesson, we're going to find the area of this combined shape. So we all know that this side is 4, and then if we multiply this part, so 10 times 4, and that is 40 meters square. Then after that, in this triangle, so we all know that triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 4 times 4.5 over 2. And the answer is 9. Because we can cut 4 and 2 there. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 2 times 4.5 is equal to 9. So the answer, the area of this triangle is 9 meters square. And then in this shape to the left side, which is a trapezium, so all you have to do is add 2 plus 4 divided by 2 and then multiply by the height. 2 plus 4 is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 and multiply by 2.1. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 2.1. The answer is 6.3. So to find the total area of these combined shapes, so you have to add 6.3 plus 40 plus 9. So in this case, 40 plus 6.3 plus 9, the total is 55.3, and that is the total surface, total area of this combined shape. That's all. Bye.